Hey guys, thanks for coming back to this live mixing session. Today we're going to be working on the female vocal lead. So this song has a male vocal lead and a female vocal lead, but she only has one lead part and then she mostly sings harmony for the rest of it. But we're going to be working on her whole vocal and going through the vocal processing and the vocal chain. So let's jump right in. Okay guys, this song is really coming together, sounding nice and pretty. Now we're going to move on to the female vocal. She has a lead part right in the beginning, and then I think she pretty much sings harmonies for the rest of the song after that. But we're going to focus on this part right now, and then we'll worry about the harmonies right after.
Draw near to you.
Okay, so right off the bat, there's a lot of low end rumble. High pass this. I mean, it's a female vocal anyway, so we can high pass it pretty hard. But I'm going to go down my normal chain. Start with the RDSer.
Near to me, for I have drawn near to you. Pull on strings of my heart, for on strings of my heart, for I long. Pull on strings.
Did I just jack something up here? Yeah, I put it on the wrong channel. That's what you get for doing a live mixing session. You screw up sometimes. I'll leave that in the video though. I don't really edit these anyways, so couldn't really call it a live mixing session if I just edited out all the parts where I didn't look cool.
String to me, for I have drawn near to you.
Now we're hitting those T's.
Pull on strings of my heart, for I long.
Okay, it's working pretty well on her vocal. It's only catching those T's and S's. I'm happy with that. Let's go. I know they're, female versus male, but they're using the same mic or type of mic. So I'm going to start with the same EQ I applied on him just to see what it sounds like.
I have drawn near to you. Pull on strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you. All my love is for you, and all my love is yours. To you. Pull on string.
Okay, so I did need to adjust a few things. Had to hit that high pass harder. Wanted to add a little bit more mid-range cut to her vocals, kind of flat sounding, and then also some top end air. I couldn't do it to his vocal because it already had some hiss up there, and I didn't want to boost that too much, but with hers it's working. So that's what we're going to do. And then move on to the compressors.
Respond to you. Oh, draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. Pull on strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you. Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. Pull on strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you. Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you.
Nice little cough in the audience there.
Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. Pull on strings of my heart.
Okay, let's add same effects to her. Go room. Vox verb. And delay, which is not labeled. Vox delay. Okay.
Draw near to me, for I have drawn near.
Okay, so now let's see what they sound like going from one into the other to make sure their vocals match, since they're both singing a lead part.
On the strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you.
Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. Pull on strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you.
'Cause all my love is for you, and all my love is yours, and all my love.
Cool. I'm happy with that. We're going to have to do some editing. If you heard those lip smacks, those cannot stay in. And then funny story about this is Courtney was supposed to come in whenever I did that cymbal swell. She did not, but we played it off, and I don't think anyone noticed, and probably maybe you didn't notice until I just told you right now. But listen right here, she was supposed to come in right after the cymbal.
Respond to you.
Draw near to me, for I have draw near to you.
Okay, so let me go start editing these.
Draw near to me, for I have drawn to me.
It's a nice lip smack right there. See if the triangle can get it. If not, we'll do a bigger cut.
To me, for I
Almost got all of it.
to me, for I have
One in here somewhere.
to me, for I have drawn near to you and pull on the strings of my heart, for I long
Oh, lip smack.
my heart. For
some reason, lip smack's probably the most annoying sound that I encounter in audio. I don't know what it is about lip smacking. I think I've even watched some of my own videos, and I do it because I'm too close to the mic a lot, so you can hear like all the spit in my mouth. Like it doesn't. I don't know. Ugh. Just makes a recording sound so unprofessional for some reason. Such a little sound can do that.
my heart, for I long to
Ugh.
for I long to respond to you.
Actually, you know what? I think that might have been Mr. Tim coughing. So let's just cut that out. Put a nice slow fade for his mic back in. Oh, maybe Courtney coughing.
You.
Draw near to me, for I have drawn near to you. Pull
Heard a lip smack. Some coughing happening too.
on.
Let's fade in that P sound a little bit better.
Pull on strings of my heart, for I long to respond to you.
'Cause all
Right here, Courtney goes into harmony, so we're going to adjust her level accordingly.
'cause all my love is for you, and all my love is yours, and all my love is for you, and all my love is yours. So draw near. Draw near to me, for I have drawn near.
I heard a lip smack.
For I have to me, for I have drawn near to you.
Okay, got the vocals sounding good. Next will be some pitch correction, but these guys are good singers. So I'm going to let the auto pitch corrector do most of the work, and then I can let Melodyne fix any notes that are specifically out of tune. And that's what I'll do a lot of times if I'm working with, pretty decent singers, is the auto pitch correction can handle 95% of the notes, and then if there's one that's like way off, or they just didn't hit it, I mean, this is live recording, so that's going to happen. You can just fix it with Melodyne and it'll fix it. So that will be the next video.